In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Perplexity spaces. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized place to run focused research and keep everything relevant in one spot. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head to Perplexity. Once the site loads, look for the Spaces section in the interface. It's typically in the main navigation, and it's where you'll manage all your topic-specific work. Click on Spaces to open the dashboard dedicated to your collections. Next, click New Space. This creates a fresh workspace you can tailor to a single topic or project. Think of a space as a container for your research. It holds your guiding notes, files, and links so your searches stay grounded and consistent. Now add a title. Keep it descriptive and specific so you instantly know what belongs there. Short, clear titles work best. Use meaningful keywords rather than vague labels. This helps you recognize your space at a glance and signals its purpose to anyone you share it with later. Add a description that sets expectations. Summarize the scope, the audience, and the type of output you want. For example, you might note the goal, the depth, or constraints like region or time frame. A good description prevents drift and keeps your future prompts aligned with the space's intent. Click Create to finalize the space. This saves your setup and opens the editor view where you'll refine how it works. Now add space instructions. This is your playbook. Tell the assistant how to approach the topic, what tone to use, what to prioritize, and what to avoid. You can mention preferred frameworks, must-use sources, or formatting preferences. Clear guidance here leads to more consistent, relevant answers inside the space. Add files that will ground your research. Upload documents that matter, reports, briefs, summaries, or reference material. Use well-named files and prioritize clean, authoritative content. Keep versions tidy so you always know which document is current. Add links to trusted sources. Include canonical pages, official documentation, or high-quality articles. Label them clearly so it's obvious why each link is included. Curated links help Perplexity focus on the best material when responding. Click into the search area or prompt box inside the space. This is where your queries live alongside your curated context. Type a research question or prompt and submit. Be specific about the outcome you want, include any constraints, and reference key terms from your description or instructions. You'll get results shaped by your space's guidance, files, and links. That's it. Your Perplexity space is ready. Keep refining titles, descriptions, instructions, and sources as your project evolves for consistently strong results.